Uhaguku wa ugitiri ugithie na mbere na kugumira itura ria Neseswit mwena wa Njoro, cukuru 13 nicio ikoretwo ire hinge kwa ihinda ria kiumia kimwe. Thirikari riu irutite watho ati cukuru icio ihingurwo na arutwo macoke cukuru kuma muthenya wa Jumatatu.
Those who are in those schools, by Monday the schools will be up and running, and our expectation is that these people move back to the relatives if they have no place to go.
Maofitha 26 wa borithi nio mahetwo gibarua gia gutigirira ati cukuru icio ni ciahingurwo. Iguru ria uguo, o cukuru ehetwo maafitha eri ya borithi kugitira arutwo. Mwena wa Naroko cukuru 5 nicio irahingitwo na tondu wa uria uhaguku wa ugitiri wihite mwena ucio, o cukuru ikwamukira maafitha ana borithi. Gukinyeria riu andu 17 nio maikitio ngono, aria ni hamwe na MCA wa wadi ya Neseswit Samuel Tonui, muikariri gito wa kigina kia ukuria wa gicigo kia ubunge kia Njoro William Lagat, munini wa chifu wa Neseswit Nicholas Lesingo na mwalimu munene wa shukuru wa Thirikari William Langat.
Lakini wale wanataka kuchocheana au hatuwezi kukubali, lazima watu wapelekwe kotini.
Leaders cannot utter words recklessly. We know where we have come from as a nation. From what we went through 2007, 2008, we would not like to go back where communities are against each other.
Muthenya wa ruciu niguo ekwirwo othe magakinywo igoti-ini, no maafitha a borithi marenda mathie na mbere na guikara thiini magikwa ati marekererio maya kurehe wagaguo na makiria. Ngiribotera Njoro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Njihia.